(7:13). Steve is off today, but he filed this Smart Money Monday report on how to get the best car loan. Check it out.
Whether you're a recent grad looking to buy your first car or a mom looking to upgrade to the minivan, chances are you're going to need a loan to buy your next vehicle. Craig Ito here from Bank of Hawaii here to help us through that process. Okay, so Craig, where do we start as far as buying a new car?
Well, Steve, if you're in the market for a car loan, I would recommend first that you know what you can afford. Consider the amount of cash down payments you have available, as well as a monthly payment that fits within your budget. Second thing I recommend is that you narrow down your choices. Take a look at your lifestyle and the needs that you have, and create a short list of vehicles that fit those needs. And lastly, I think you should assess the total cost of ownership. By that I mean you take into account the cost of gas based off the mileage you drive, as well as the cost of maintenance and insurance.
There you go. That's a good point, because if you got 3 kids, you're not looking for a sports car.
Right.
What are some other tips that we're looking at?
The first thing that you do is you do your research. There's an incredible amount of information that's available online regarding pricing, quality, safety, and discounts. You can also research owner reviews as well as expert opinions. The second thing I recommend is that you know your credit rating. And that's important because that helps you determine what interest rate you receive, as well as whether a lender can grant you the credit you've requested.
So a lot of first-time buyers out there haven't gone through this process before. What do they need to know about financing?
Be familiar with the car loan itself. Car loans are considered secure loans, which means the interest rates tend to be lower. Car loans are offered by a variety of lenders, and the dealership can also help you in arranging financing at the point of purchase. I also think it's important that you review your contract thoroughly, and don't be afraid to ask questions to get clarity on any questions you may have. And lastly, I think it's important to know that lenders will offer financing on options such as service contracts and maintenance plans. Those are options that you should consider, particularly if you plan on keeping the vehicle for a longer period of time.
If everybody wants a good deal, when is the best time to buy?
Well, there are several times when dealers are highly motivated to sell cars. During holidays in particular, like most major retailers, dealerships will offer big sales on their inventory. I think another time to purchase a good time to purchase a car is at the end of the summer when dealerships are going through model year changeovers. They're trying to get rid of the old inventory and to make room for their newer inventory. And finally, at the end of the month when dealerships are trying to close out their month.
Well, that's great advice. This complete interview is going to be on our website, hawaiinewsnow.com. For Craig Ito, I'm Steve Uha.